Welcome back to another stream. Hopefully everybody's having a good Monday, had a good weekend. Market's acting very, very crazy today. So again, just like we were kind of talking about in the morning here, we're probably going to see a lot of choppy nonsense price action. If you played the puts in the morning and you're still riding them out with the make it free strategy, you had a nice little opportunity there to secure the bag. But I mean, again, it's a holiday week. You're probably going to see a little bit of nonsense. We've seen them try to pin it at these prices before. I would not expect too much this week. I really only made 2 trades, played Tesla on the way down, scalped it quick, played Nvidia on the way down, scalped it quick. There was not really a whole lot there that I liked today, but silver lining, Invictus is kind of leading us the entire way today. Invictus has only alerted twice and it's crossed both times. So 2 successful crosses on Invictus here. So it's batting 100% today, which is pretty solid on a day like today. But again, guys, since this is a public stream, again, if you guys would not mind smashing that like button as you guys are filtering in here, it helps out a little bit with the algorithms and it helps make these streams a little bit easier for you guys to find when you guys come back in. But how you guys doing? Good afternoon, everyone. Wait for that cross. There you go, man. Hopefully everybody's having a good day, had a good weekend. I had an interesting weekend, which we might be able to talk about. Now, if we're going to see a little bit of nonsense price action over here. But again, platforms coming soon, team. Get ready. It's going to be fun. Apple's slipping a little bit lower here. We don't really need AMD. AMD's kind of trading flat over here. Tessie. Oh, what did we say about Tesla today, man? This was the candle that I really flipped it on, and I was exiting on this one as it started to come back up. You got a nice little retest here, kind of wicked above this 48 and then just died the entire. Wow. So that actually was a good one on the retest there. I was looking at that this morning and then because I mean, this week I'm kind of just looking at this price action in the chart and I'm like, I mean, I'm probably not going to do anything too crazy. And even the trades that I did take were sized down because I was like, I just think we're going to chop around a little bit, not make too many crazy moves. We do have the Fed minutes on Wednesday though, so we can move around off of that. And we also have Mary Daly speaking at 1 p.m. today about inflation. Yep. So San Francisco Fed President Mary Daly speaks on inflation. So that's what we have today coming up at 1. But again, team, keep hitting that like button on the way in. Is there a way to get around PDT and Webull? Yes. You don't need to be in a margin account. There's literally no reason for you to be in a margin account if you are not using any of the benefits of margin. So with a cash account, you can trade as much as you want on any brokerage with a cash account, as long as you're trading with settled cash. If you're trading with settled cash, you are good to go. And with options, since it's T1, everything settles the next day. So you essentially never have to wait, as long as you don't blow through your cash balance in a day, which you really shouldn't be doing anyway. But yeah, let's see what we get going later in the day. Logan, no problem, man. Today's boring. Today is very boring. Is Mary hawkish or dovish? She was a bit hawkish the last time she came out. Oxy Invictus. Oh, we just got one. Ooh, oil stocks coming back. Oxy. That's interesting. I don't know about this one. It looks like oil might have gotten some news. Was this OPEC? I didn't see anything come through on oil. Also wasn't really watching for oil news. So let me look here. OPEC ready to intervene in the market if necessary. Saudis deny reported discussions about OPEC plus oil output hike. Oh, that's what came out this morning. Okay. So this morning we saw rumors of an output hike, meaning that they were going to raise output, which could lower oil prices, just basically more supply in the market. Then the Saudis deny that report, and then they're ready to intervene in the market if necessary. The oil minister, current OPEC plus deal continues to the end of 2023. Yeah, so they're basically saying that all that news was bullshit, and that's why these oil stocks are starting to pop here. If you start to see oil run up any, that's not right. Hold on. Yeah, oil's still, yeah, it's down 1.5%, but it did rally back up. That's WTI. Brent's down 1.78. Wow. Natural gas up 7% today. Ung must be on a fucking mission over here. A nonsense candle that you think throws off Invictus? What do you mean? What do you mean, Moto? I mean, there's no nonsense candle. This thing could still run up and cross if oil's going to be bullish into the end of the day here. SPY's starting to slip a little lower. So for the time being, Invictus is 100% today. It's only alerted 3 times. So it's keeping everybody out of the chop. I think you're wrong. You need a margin account if you want to YOLO like a degenerate gambler. True, Arvin. Very true. Guys, I have some more content too for the Instagram. That's going to be really fun. The short form stuff is going to be really cool coming out in a little bit. So get ready for that. think I met a billionaire this weekend too, which is kind of cool. I kind of went to this thing to network because like I do a lot of stuff at night a lot of the time, and there's certain people who like basically we know a bunch of like promoters and stuff, and they're like, "You guys want to come hang out?" And I was like, "Yeah, sure, why not?" And pretty sure there was just a billionaire hanging around, and he told me his name was James Bond, and I was like, you're either selling crack, or you just really don't want me to know who you are for some reason. And I was like, that's fine, it's cool by me. You just hang around here with your million bottles for no reason, but it's cool. It's fine by me. Oxy ripping, yeah, I've got Oxy up over here. Yeah, we it was a little weird side quest over the weekend. I'm not gonna say what day it was because that's embarrassing, but Apple decided to test day lows. I heard the golf club you used to work for wants you back. No, no. Yeah, Apple slipping a little lower here again. Let's see what happens with Oxy here. I mean, it's hanging on to that 48 like a little shelf here, so you might get that cross up. Spy's just kind of hanging out here. Honestly don't think I'm going to take much for the rest of the day because I mean we've seen this right here. Yeah, 393.50. This is what I was watching earlier. This one was what I was watching earlier today. This candle. I did think that we were going to bounce around 393.50. It was right around the pre-market lows as well. We've been sandwiched in a couple of these levels here. So it's really range bound today is what it looks like. You might get that choppy move all the way down, and you could see something crazy happen in the last hour of the day too. So we're going to see what we get here. We're going to have that Fed speaker, Mary Daly, coming in at some point. There's probably no live link to it, but we'll see the comments come through. And she'll be talking about inflation, and that's going to kind of read into and give us more insight into rate hikes. So that'll be very interesting to see. Yeah, Tesla getting killed all day. Hey, Vix, hope you're well. Happy Thanksgiving, Norm. Norm, good to see you in here, buddy. Hopefully you're doing well as well, dude. Oh, 10 likes away from 50. I appreciate that, team. So, but yeah, there was, oh, dude, I just know, I just run into random people. It's complicated, but I was trying to, see what was going on this specific night because I was like, people shouldn't be going out right now. So who the fuck is? You took the Trader Joe call play on what was it? It was a bank, wasn't it? H&R Block. How's this doing? Chilling. H&R Block chilling, man. I mean, if the market rallies, the banks have been doing pretty well. If you look at JP Morgan, I mean, they've been a little overextended. If you throw this thing up on the daily, look at this. I mean, this thing has just been ripping after like these lows back here in the beginning of October, 101 to 136. That's fucking ridiculous, honestly. 30% in a month. That's pretty good, dude. Like JP Morgan, the banks have been looking interesting. Wells Fargo, I bet, is probably doing all right too. Bank of America, let's see what these have been doing on the daily. Yeah, it's kind of same deal over here too. 39 to 48. I mean, these banks have been ripping. Up 9% on the portfolio for the day and now done trading. Winning loser. Fuck yeah, buddy. There we go. Yeah, hopefully that one-on-one last Friday helped you out a little bit, man. Oh, now we're 3 away from 50. Thank you, team. Shout out to the midday crew. We're probably not going to get in any nonsense today. It's possible that we do. It usually ends up happening at some point, and I'm probably going to emotionally damage people that are going to come in here and talk nonsense. So it is what it is. You guys will get to witness a little show. Dollars ripping. Let me see. Yeah, dollars had it higher. Oh, the dollar actually broke those levels there. That's very interesting. How's this look on? It's at 107. How's this look on the 4-hour? Remember what we were talking about on the dollar here with this daily 200 EMA bounce? Bing. Remember, we were talking about that on this day right here, that the dollar had a little bit more room to come down and then rally back up. That's what we're starting to see now. And in this case, you could end up getting sandwiched in by this 13 EMA. So you might just pitter patter around here. I mean, you're blowing up through this level of resistance right now. That's sitting at what? Right around 107.70, right around there. So, I mean, you're up past that level of resistance. You got the 13 EMA on the daily at 108.203. So you could rally up there and then start to sell back off towards that 200. That's possible as well. The 10 years looking pretty interesting too. So the 10 years running back up. Is TLT still above 100? Let's see. Now, TLT broke 100 here. I mean, if this thing falls into the 80s, I'll buy it. Hey, SEV, I finished last week 52% in the green, my largest gain in dollars and percentage to date. Biggest thank you to 1348 team. Parsa, I appreciate that, man. Yeah, shout out to all you guys that have been printing, man. I mean, we have an amazing community of traders, of people learning. the live streams. Invictus is an absolutely nasty tool. Pythagoras, we have some crazy things coming for you guys too in platform. And again, if you guys do want that deal, that $49 a month deal, you do have to be in before we actually launch platform. And that's mainly to give back to all the people that allowed us to create this absolutely amazing platform that we have coming out for you guys that we're going to be able to build a lot of stuff on top of. So again, if you are interested, it's in the top of the live chat over there. And if not, all right, man. Let's see. Good morning, but please don't call me boyfriend, bro. It's kind of weird. Like, it is pretty weird that you call me boyfriend. BBWI on the daily has a gap filled up, then followed by a newer. I mean, I don't really want to fuck around with gap fills, bro. What is this? Bath and Body Works? You're looking at this on the daily? I mean, technically, it's filled this one already. And if you flash up above this 200, you could run a little bit. But we'll see. I mean, it's banging its head on the 200 there. How's the 4-hour look? Or the 4-hour probably looks great. Yeah, the 4-hour looks, yeah, I mean, it looks good. It's losing this momentum, though. That's the problem. I'm guessing you're saying that you want it back down as well. So, okay, this is nonsense. Get this shit out of here. How am I doing? Jonathan, fucking great. Kinda. Logan, what's up, buddy? The one-on-one was insightful. Thank you to dudes. Winning loser, I appreciate that. Yeah, if you guys didn't know, too, we do one-on-ones as well. That's sus as fuck, not gonna lie. He does it every day. Flicker always comes in here and calls me boyfriend. It's weird. 52% on the week, though, Parsa. That's nutty. That's amazing. So let's see what we get towards the end of the day. Pretty slow day. I mean, I'm guessing that this entire week's going to be relatively slow until we get to the Fed minutes on Wednesday. My schedule for streaming and videos might be a little bit jacked up this week too. So tomorrow we'll see about this midday stream because I do have to go to the airport. Wednesday, we should be good. Thursday, off day. Friday, back to normal, but Friday's a short day. So tomorrow might be the only day that gets screwed up a little bit. Wednesday, we might start the private stream a little later. I don't think we'll have to, but we'll see. Happy Turkey Week. What's my plans for Thanksgiving? Headed to Florida tomorrow, man. Headed to Florida tomorrow, and I'll be back this weekend. Looking for puts on BBWI. That's not bad. I mean, I would almost wait for it to lose the 4-hour 200. Something like that. What time does the market close on Friday? I believe 1. Am I going to make cupcakes with Gabe? No, I'm not going to make cupcakes with anybody. And I'm also not going to make cupcakes with Gabe. I don't know where cupcakes came in. Hold on. I'm looking for what is that? The 26th? Yeah, closes trading at 1 p.m. Eastern. Safe travels. You too, DM. Hopefully you're back. No, guys, I have like an actual family too. Like I do have to see them at some point. All right, things are starting to slip a little bit lower here. SPY's kind of bending around. Apple's being a little fucker. Let's see. U.S. lawmakers call on bank regulators to review SoFi's crypto moves. Interesting. That's an interesting one there. Sitting in Fort Lauderdale, so? Oh, boy. Citadel's annual Friendsgiving. Oh, yeah, too. True. And then Kenny has to pay me my $100 million bonus for the year, you know? All these fucking idiots. All right, SPY. What are we doing? Nancy's slipping here. I don't know. I already kind of nailed the Nancy puts earlier today. I don't know if I'm going to do it again. Since June, I've been getting the emotions and mentality of a winning trader. Fuck yeah, dude. There you go. Heading back to 393, you missed your exit? It could be. We definitely could be. I mean, it's just chopping around. This price action makes me not want to take any trades. If you block this nonsense out, which this was just flash candles, I believe, off of oil, this is just chop. Now, Nancy is slipping. If you end up seeing it come back down here about $1 lower, I mean, you could hit a nice little Nancy trade here on the way down, which I wouldn't be surprised if it came through on Invictus. It didn't, though. Interesting. Where's Oxy? How's Oxy doing over here? Oxy just chilling. And Nancy was a little bit stronger than the market when the market was selling off today, too. So you saw these nasty candles, and Nancy wasn't moving with it as much as it typically would. So I was like, probably burn that one. You've won your last 16 trades, 12 days in the green. Holy shit, Parsa. Jesus, dude. There you go. 1348 for the win, dude. All right. Let's see. Yeah, so let's see if Oxy ends up crossing. Ooh, emotional damage. Wouldn't be able to do it without you guys. So I appreciate that, man. 80x weak on Nancy. In general, I would expect this whole thing to be weak. Just because of the way that it's moving, it's down 0.96, but it has moved up from the lows of today. It just clicked. That's great. I mean, that's usually what happens, man. Again, don't change anything. Continue to do what you're doing. It's still all about compounding. Yep, Nancy back up. I just am not really a fan of a lot of this price action that we're seeing here. It's just kind of shitty across the board. And again, guys, if there's not a good opportunity there with good risk reward that gives you an edge, there's no reason to be funneling in. I guess I still have to send that video in for you guys. It was just a video I saw floating around the internet that it was essentially like describing like the edge in trading, and a lot of people, which I think a lot of people in just everywhere, retail traders do a lot of, is what they do is they try to make sure that they are going to be correct on the given trade that they are taking right now, and that's not what's important. It's about finding a system or a strategy that's going to take you into profitability over time. So you do not have to be right on that trade that you see right there. But an edge is nothing more than a greater probability of one thing happening over another. And that's what we have. Post a link here. Nah, it's like an actual, I'll put the actual file for you guys in the Discord. It's not a file. It's like an actual, like I saved it. So I have the video. Be the casino. Exactly. Fuck, I was at a casino. That was at a casino too. Jesus. Yeah, I don't know. Sometimes I just end up in random spots, people, and I'm like, I don't know, man. It is what it is. We're just kind of out here doing shit. Like that's kind of what this weekend ended up being. I was talking to my buddy and like we were on FaceTime, and there's the guy, one of the promoters that like always like sometimes tries to get us to come out with him. And we didn't know what the deal was. We were like, all right, well, we'll see. We'll see how this goes. We were like, all right, fuck it, we'll go. And then right before we're about to go, we're like, yeah, I don't really want to go at this time right now because we all have to like do things the next day. And we were like, fuck it. We'll go see how it is. And then it ends up being, oh, a billionaire, this thing. Blah, blah, blah. And I'm like, all right, well, we got to do this shit more because that was interesting. Oxy gearing up. Yeah, Oxy's getting a little juicy here. If Oxy can break over this local high, I think you can see it run a little bit. You're about to get that cross on Oxy too. Tequila tends to do that. Oh, there was a lot of tequila. I also met like the head rep of Casamigos. So like, I don't know, man. I just meet people. They were like, this is the other thing as well. Apparently, I didn't know this, but the Casamigos rep apparently has like a tab or like a minimum spend that they have to do all over the place. So they were just like, do you want? I was like, yes, I do. Like, do you like it was very strange, man. Like, it's very hard to describe, but they were just like, I was like, I don't really like accepting these free drinks right now. And then I found out that's a Casamigos rep and it's all free. And I was like, okay, bro, like it is what it is. SCV is going to end up at some secret society meeting. Dude, I would not be surprised if that happened. Sometimes I end up in places and I'm like, I don't know, man. Here we are. But that was cool. We met, who else did we meet? I don't know. It's very strange. Casinos win because of the probabilities. Yes, they lose individual butts, but overall they win. That's what having your trading system does for you. Exactly, Tabasco Dave. Yeah, and did I tell you guys too that when the what do you call it? The Walmart's looking to rip up? Hold on. Dude, I don't it was very strange, but like it was super fun. Yeah, Wally's ripping. 1328 is going to lose SV to the billionaires? No, that's no. They didn't really want to talk to me. Plus, it was loud, so like I couldn't really talk to them. In general, though, when I've met people like that in the past, they're very like interested in me, which is weird. I'm like, okay, hello. Like they always want to talk, and I always try to like not talk because like I feel like they just don't want to talk about certain things. They just want to talk about like normal people things. But then they ask me, and I'm like, okay. 29.52% on Oxy Invictus so far, 34.29%. Nicky Ricky, holy shit, buddy. Guys, I'm telling you, Invictus is the fucking truth. That 36%, bro. Jesus. Invictus is a monster, dude. Dude, this is going to be 3 for 3 today on Invictus. There we go. I mean, what do you think we're doing over here? Just fucking around with our algorithms? No, these things are nasty. Nicky Ricky, what do we do when we're up crazy amounts? Out? Holy shit, locked it in there, buddy. What did you get it at? Like 34, 35%? That's still fucking sweet. Dude, Invictus for the fucking win. Nothing can touch Invictus. No, it can't. I mean, it's a fucking monster. I've said this many times. Like, Invictus is going to make me $1 million. There's no way around it. Like, that thing is a monster. If you guys haven't tried it out yet, dude, it's like every single day there's at least one Invictus that's just nasty. Like, you guys saw the Amazon ones last week that I had that I sold at 50% that ended up running over 100. And I was like, okay, damn, bro. Like, these are crazy. Let's see. Yeah, Oxy's about to get it here too. 3 for 3, man. That's all you need. Couple base hits a day. And again, Nicky Ricky with a 36. So if you full size that with 10% of your portfolio, Ben Currington's up 35% on Oxy Invictus. Holy shit, guys. Are you kidding me right now? You made 9 grand on QQQ puts today with Invictus, Big C? Dude, hold on. Hold on, Big C. Because QQQ was the first Invictus alert that came out today before it knifed. Dude. We've created a monster here with Invictus. This thing is, I don't think you guys fully understand how crazy this thing is yet. The tweaks that we made to it turbocharged it. The thing's a monster. SPY running back up here a little bit. Let's see. Oxy's about to get it, dude. PS, stop loss strategy and moving the stop. Amazing way to take the stress out. Yeah. Yeah, dude. That's why we have that stop loss strategy. Made $72 on QQQ puts. Hey, man, green is green. But Big C, was that? I mean, it had to have been the Invictus move there, unless you caught the shark with Bailey's, which, no, that had to have been just nice little Invictus move down. That's fucking great, dude. Damn. All right, people. Again, as you guys are filtering in here, if you wouldn't mind, hitting that like button. Helps out a whole lot with the algos. We are, 32 away. 32 away from 100. You'll send me the trade? Perfect, buddy. Yeah, dude, those are filthy. Yeah, TJ, that's so good, dude. Printed money with Invictus. All right, Apple trying to move up here a little bit. Oxy. Yeah, this next candle should give it to you on Oxy. You're addicted to Invictus? Dude, I think I am too. Like, I've fallen in love with Invictus over these last few months. I love it. Remember when I first started fucking around with it, when it was like in full beta stage, I was like, this thing is a cheat code, like a legitimate market cheat code. Yeah, Oxy about to get it there. Dude, that's gnarly. 104 miles on new car. If I can do it, anyone can. Wait, what? What? Oh, we got some more Invictuses over here. All right. So the Oxy's still active. We have a few more coming in as well. Huh. This could get interesting. Damn, dude. This one is just. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Yeah, Invictus incoming. Yeah, we just got a bunch of them. Maybe I'll bite. I don't know. Some of them are what do you call it? Opposites of each other. So like we have Nvidia. We got an interesting one on the SPY here. Little rejection of that 200 EMA. Let's see. Oxy's about to get it, which is going to be sweet. Shining Wiz, what's up, dude? How you doing? All right. Ooh, you guys are killing it on the like button. We do have some slackers, though, in here. Bunch of slackers. We give you guys Invictus, and you guys are just like, I see how it is. I see how it is. Let's see. The way I see it, even at a 5% increase to your account on a weekly basis, I will have saved up enough fully to pay for your med school tuition in 2 years. Parsa, that's awesome, man. That is awesome. 1348 is the only thing that's making that possible. Parsa, I really appreciate that, man. Oh, D-Word. There you go, buddy. Congratulations. Does Apple look like it's ramping up? Not really. Not really. It just kind of if it can get above 148.50, then maybe. And then SPY above the 200, maybe a nice little run. All right, Oxy just got the cross. Bing bong. 3 for 3 today with Invictus, 100% still. Yep. So we got a few more coming now. Let's see. Yeah. So this, yeah. Okay. Yeah, I don't, that has to change. Yeah, I'll figure that one out. There's something on the thing that I personally for UI, it's not my favorite, so I'll talk to Andy about that one. Let's see. Nvidia looks fire. Yeah, it looks okay. I mean, the market wants to bounce here a little bit. Dude, Oxy is a monster. Look at this. It just keeps going. Yeah, so watch. If Oxy comes up a little bit more, watch 69.80, 200 EMA. I mean, if you guys are still in it and you're using the stop loss strategy, I mean, I can't fault you there. I mean, that thing's nasty. Sorry for slacking. May Invictus have mercy on my P&L. He will. Yeah, it's too late for Oxy now. Oxy just paid your rent? Fuck yeah, Ben Currington. That is fucking great. Dude, I'm telling you. Invictus is nasty. Man, I love it, dude. I love what we're making over here. Invictus, gnarly. Let's see. I'm calling it now. SPY going to hit its head on the 200 and Nvidia and SPY die. It's hitting its head on the 200 right now. I mean, maybe we'll bite. Oops. Let's see. What do we got here? Cool. Yeah, it's SPY's just hanging around VWAP here. Nancy fucking around. Everything just kind of moving slowly. Apple shooting up here a little bit. Let's see. What's Nancy at right now? 152. Okay. All right, folks. Let's see. We got Invictus kind of fucking around over here. Oxy, dude. That was probably the play of the day there. Yeah, I mean, if they bring SPY back down to 393.50, that would be interesting. Nancy pop a little there. Where's AMD? How's AMD looking? Because these things have been really, I mean, they're going to be synced. Yeah, kind of barcode in here. Let's see what Nancy wants to do. You got 3% Oxy, kicking yourself for doubting Invictus. Don't doubt the Invictus. Let's see if SPY can get above this 200 EMA here if it wants to reject right back down. How's this look on the 1 minute? The 1 minute looks pretty strong on the SPY here. All right, new 5-minute candles right here. Yeah, you're just fucking around with VWAP across the board. SPY could get a little action there. How's Apple looking? Let's see. Where's the 200 on the SPY? It's right there. Took the Invictus Oxyblade. I'm in profit if I get stopped out now. Nice. What's the best way to play that Invictus SPY call? So in this situation here, I would wait for a candle close above the 200. It's just too close. So some of these Invictus plays are just going to be too close to the 200 sometimes. You got to wait it out. Make sure that you're confirming that move back up. Or down, honestly, below. Posted gains in the Discord. Have a large account, but there's a 2% gain. Oh, let me take a look at that. Woo! $8,700 on QQQ, you fucking animal, dude. There you go. Yeah, let me pull that up for you guys so you can see it. That is filthy. Look at this. Dude. Bing! P&L day, $8,700. QQQ Invictus. Can't be beat, man. This stuff is the truth. I love it. All right, so let's see what happens here. SPY coming back up to that 200. Nancy kind of flickering around. Let's see. Yeah, that's gnarly, dude. Yeah, and if you guys do want Invictus, and you want to hop in there with us before, and make sure you're getting access to that, what is it, 48.3% discount once we release platform very soon. The link is right here. That discount is only going to be available to people in our community before we actually launch our new platform. So if you guys want to hop in there before then, we'd love to have you, man. And if not, I mean, you guys can always come in after, but it is going to be at a higher price. Nancy slipping here. I mean, if this 152.50 is going to be another key level for Nancy. If it slips down below there, it'll get interesting. SPY, VWAP slipping. Nancy starting to slip. Let's see. Let's see. You need that crack of 152.50. But Big C, that's fucking great, dude. Those gains, solid. Solid moves there. Yeah, SPY's getting bought up a little bit here. Let's see what it wants to do. Apple trying to make its way back up to 148.50. And Nancy teetering. Oh, 13 likes away from 100 too. I appreciate that, everybody. Thank you. Shout out to the midday crew. I love it. I love it. All right, let's see. Nancy looking like it wants to get spicy to the downside here, but we will see. Everything's been moving pretty slow today. Let's see what we got here. All right. Slip, slip, slip. Here comes Nancy a little. Here comes SPY. Let's see. You love trading QQQ? I bet you do, especially if you have Invictus on your side, dude. Fucking killer. All right. So Nancy's kind of flickering down below this 142.50. If you get another candle here, this could get gnarly. So the new candles are coming. SPY hasn't broken its 48 yet. Come on. 100. Stale. Appreciate that, buddy. That's a sweet name too. Every time I see that name, I'm like, oh, that's a dope name. All right, SPY, it's still bending around here. Do I have a Discord server? I do, but it's not going to be a Discord for much longer. So we have our new platform coming up. Um, and we have a lot of things on it. We are not like any other Discords that you've seen before. Our predictive proprietary algorithms are amazing. Oh, here we go. Like this QQ or this Nvidia Invictus right now is gnarly. Here comes SPY slipping lower. Let me see if I can snag that there. Can I explain the rate switch again? It's so everybody that's in our community before we launch will get access to the $49 deal. It's not an addition, it's a replacement. What's Invictus? It's our predictive algorithm that trades on the 5-minute time frame. So what it does is, again, 1348 is the most profitable EMA crossover. It's been studied over many, many, many years. So that's what we like to use. But again, we wanted to make it even better. So we've created these algorithms that actually are able to predict with a high degree of certainty of when these crosses are going to occur before they do. So you saw this NVIDIA one right here, the Oxy one that everybody was hitting in the live chat just now. You saw this one was really nasty up here as well. So, and then we also have one that trades on the daily for people that like to swing trade. We have Trader Joe that just sticks with the normal 1348 rules that we have along with the crosses. We've got one-on-one training sessions. We have 3 live streams a day. We have a full built-out curriculum. It's really the one-stop shop for anybody that wants to learn how to trade and get access to the best tools. When will the switch happen? Very soon. Very soon. How long will we have the switch over? You won't miss it. We'll be all over the place with telling you guys when it's about to happen. All right, so SPY's kind of flashing this 13 here. Let's see, Nancy getting bought up a little bit. Invictus just made you 5%, took the play on Oxy, put his trailing stop on it, went back to driving business. There you go, Ryan. Can we have a stat check for people that are not in the Discord? 1348 is killing it. Yeah, what do you want stats on? So right now, Invictus is 100% successful today. It's 3 for 3 with 6 other plays. Now, NVIDIA did just cross 2, so that's going to go 4 for 4. We'll see what ends up happening with the SPY here in IWM. And a few other ones that have actually alerted as well. But it's killing it today. I mean, that Oxy one was gnarly. Will it help you trade QQQ options? Yes, 100% it will. Yeah, NVIDIA did cross, so we should get that here. And this order should fill in a second. Sign you up. All right, man. It's in the it's linked at the top of the live chat. But I'll throw it in there for you as well. But again, I mean, if you're going to come in here now, the price actually will be going down if you stay in before by the time we actually release platform, which is very soon anyway. All right, Nancy, what are we going to do here? Invictus is freaking killing it. Dude, it's gnarly. I want to see what happens with SPY here. Nah, it's not going to do it. Nancy coming back up. Can I explain the platform? I mean, we've explained it and shown you guys it in some of the private streams that we do. Helps with QQQ 1,000%. Nico, appreciate that, buddy. Yeah. All right, let's see what happens with SPY here if it wants to sell off or wants to just continue chopping. Grabbing these beans. What's up, Nick? How you doing, buddy? All right, folks, let's see what we're getting over here. Apple bouncing off its 13. SPY, same deal. Nancy coming back up to 152.50. Another test there. Let's see if we get aggressive sell-off here. That would be interesting. It would be interesting if we started to get some flash candles down. If Apple breaks this 13, I mean, the market looks a little heavy here, so we'll see. I mean, we again, remember these public streams, midday, we've called out some pretty fucking gnarly moves. So let's see if we can catch another one. I mean, we've been catching a lot of them recently. Like those 2 SPY trades last week were filthy. So OG Trans, it's 96 right now. If you stay in by the time we release platform, you will then get access to the 49. Nancy, what are we gonna do here? Yeah, so Invictus now 4 for 4, 100% success rate, killing it. I mean, what's his name? Big C this morning made what, 9 grand on QQQ? Fucking gnarly. Squirrel wants death. You might get it. You might get it. I mean, you gotta watch. If it slips this 13 on the 5-minute, you could see it go. Not yet. It needs to get down below its moving average there. Nancy's got to break 152. Like, there's a lot of things that need to happen. Yeah, here it comes. Let's see if it does it. Who was that made 12K on Friday and 24 grand the week? Oh, I forget who that was. That was gnarly, though. Fed Daily speaking soon? Oh, yeah, 4 minutes. Yeah, watch out for that. That could get interesting. Dude, these stops and stuff have been so strange today. Yeah, there's one. Remember this morning when we were talking about the NVIDIA and how I had the stop set and it didn't hit? And I was like, whoa, 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 whoa. What the fuck's going on there? Something was kind of glitchy in the system this morning. So, dude, he shredded it. Yeah. You chose 1348 over your wife. I can always replace her if I follow the 1348 rules. There you go, Chris. All right, here's what we're going to do. Snag one here. And there's another. All right, so I've scaled out a lot of this NVIDIA trade. I'm probably going to move a stop closer to break even soon and see what this thing wants to do. So up nicely today. About 1.2%. Not bad. Just scalping. Just scalping over here. Here comes SPY slipping a little bit. Let's see what we get. But according to the rules, you shouldn't take Oxy because of the 200. Well, now you wouldn't have wanted to, but there was enough room before 68 to, like, when you were seeing the Oxy Invictus alert, it was right around these candles right here, which was putting you at around 68 to 68.40. And then you have upside to 69.78. So there is enough room for you to hit that. You just joined OG Trance. Let's get after it, buddy. So we will have that private live stream for you today at 3 p.m. So you missed the first two, but you'll be after it. Couple, what do you call it? You'll get access to all the ones in the future, buddy. Also, it's Monday. It's private stream night. I forgot about that. So you actually get an extra live stream today. So we do 4 of them today. So these NVIDIA contracts are up what? Like, I'm just scalping them. They're up like 10% right now, which is nice. Not bad. Probably going to move a stop to around break even soon as these things continue to start going in my direction. If it doesn't, I'll just take it out. Oxy coming back up, tapping that 200. If you're in those Oxy contracts there and you're up like, I don't know, 50, 60% on the Invictus, I don't know. That 200 could be a very, very big wall. So, I mean, on Nancy over here, we're watching the 152 break. SPY needs that closing candle down below this 13 on the 5. We'll see what happens if it ends up getting back down here. Nancy could break down pretty hard. So, we're watching for that. Great group to join. Just put in the time. That's all. Life wisdom. There we go. I've said this before. I'll say it again. If 1348 says jump out of the plane without a parachute and you will survive, I'll jump. That's how sure this strategy is. Parsa, damn, buddy. Thank you for all the kind words. Yeah, we've been really killing it, dude. Follow the rules. You got to get your emotions in check and you will be good to go. All right, let's see here. Thoughts on Tesla? We talked about that earlier this morning with those moves. Ooh, SPY little pop there. I mean, Tesla, we were looking at this earlier. What were we saying? We had this level here. I actually played this candle quick in the morning. Just because it was slipping down below that level, exited on this candle as it was starting to move back up. This was the nice retest move all the way down. Tessie down 6-ish. What is this? 6% right now. Well, SPY's moving back up here. Maybe it's going to do another VWAP test. Yeah, Nancy coming up. What are these at? Still green. Also, we have Mary Daly talking right now. So she could say some things about inflation and rate hikes that could move the market around. So watch out for that. Invictus be like, Jesus, take the wheel. Keeps me in plays longer. Dude, Invictus is a monster, man. Is she a bear? She says bearish things. I wouldn't say that she's overall a bear, though. I mean, it's really hawkish, dovish. That's kind of the delineation that you have to make. So it depends on the day, really, and what the data is saying on that given day. Is she dovish or hawkish? Well, it depends. It's you're gonna find out what she is and the statements that she makes. That's really what we're looking for. It's like, okay, well, is she gonna come out hawkish or is she going to come out dovish? Most of their statements, they flip-flop back and forth depending on what the data is. So if the data comes out shit and you're like, okay, well, that's not good, then you would see all the Fed members come out relatively hawkish. If the data's good, then you could see them come out relatively dovish. Well, the first one was hawkish. Sorry if I misspoke there. Then they can come out, and the second time, if the data's good, they can come out dovish. Do you think we're getting a pivot? Absolutely not. And I also think that the minutes on Wednesday are going to be what a lot of people are looking towards. And it's very possible that this is when Powell steps back in and says, hey, dumbasses, everybody's screaming about a Fed pivot and how this one inflation print is good. But it's just the first one that we need. There's still a long way to go. Hit the like, guys. Life wisdom. I appreciate that, man. All right, let's see here. How's Invictus doing? 4 for 5. Not bad. Still 80% on the day. Not bad. We will see. IWM. What's up with IWM? Is it running? IWM might get the cross here. Yeah, Nancy, I don't know. If Nancy breaks 152, you might see it get cracked a little here. I mean, this is kind of the point in the day where things start to slow down a little bit. So these are probably going to be some slower moves that we'll see. I mean, I'm up 7% on these, 8% on these contracts. So, I mean, my account's up nicely today. So, I mean, 1% a day, I'll take that all day long. You guys saw that those couple of days last week where I was up like 11%, which were sweet. And that was all Invictus there too. And some of those random swings that I had. Hey, Vix, Invictus killing it. Dude, I know. I've been looking at this the entire time. It's 80% right now. Fucking killer. 4 for 5 on the day. And the thing is that it's not just like a basic, like those QQQs were nasty. The SPY was great. The Oxy was unbelievable too. Let's see here. All right. SPY back to the VWAP. Let's see. We will see here, team. Oh, you guys are doing pretty solid on the like button today. I appreciate that, everybody. Thank you. All right. I want Nancy below 152. Like, I want to see what happens with it. The low on this is, I mean, it sort of touched it, but we got 152.01. Like, that's going to be a key level if it ends up slipping down below there. Like, if SPY nice from here off some Mary Daly comments, like, that's not going to be good. How do you get Invictus? It's in one of the so right now with Discord, so right now it's in the tab called Invictus Beta. So it's in the premium alerts tab. So you will see all of the Invictus alerts in there. And then very soon they'll all be on platform too. You have to summon Invictus? No. Let's see. Bunch of nonsense over there. Everybody was making weird jokes about Gabe and I doing drugs. And I was like, one, this is just childish and stupid. We're not going to be doing this. And then there was another Instagram account called Snort the Vix that came up. And I was like, well, you guys just suck as human beings if you're making fake accounts of me. So those, what do you call it? Those accounts in here, you guys can fuck off. So been a while. What's up, man? How you doing? Nancy running back up. SPY trying to reach a little bit here. Let's see. SPY running to that 200 again. Nancy running to 152 or 152.50. Interesting. Why is the SPY play already dead? You can see the 13 kinked lower. So it ended up pointing down. This is why, because it ended up aiming lower. So called it dead there. Let's see. It's still not above the 200 EMA. And on this SPY move anyway, I would wait for a closing candle above as well. You're right next to this 200. So be careful with that, team. Remember, you can't, I mean, again, people like to kind of hype it up that you can just do whatever the fuck Invictus says. I mean, you'll probably have a decent amount of success with it. But again, in order to make it better for yourself, you don't really want to be taking these right next to key levels here. Oh, Nancy popped up there. Let's see what it wants to do. If they shark it here, SPY back to the 200. Let's see. Nancy rimming the 5-minute here. SPY a little lower. So this could be Mary Daly comments. Fed's daily. Oh, that was 7 minutes ago. Real world impact of Fed rate hikes likely higher than what the current rate target implies. Interesting. RTX on a mission. Hey, there goes IWM. Oh, yeah. Well, that thing's up, what, 1% there? That's not bad. Nancy takes her teeth out to rim. She might, dude. Yeah, again, this 152.50 and this 152 level is pretty key on NVIDIA here. So let's see what happens with SPY if it wants to break up through. Let's see. You almost typed Nancy in the search bar. It's NVIDIA. Nancy's NVIDIA. So it's just rimming here. All right, right back down at the SPY. Let's see. I'm in and out doing God's work. Let me know if we get any salty backholders in here. Tabasco Dave, I have a really funny meme for you that I saw that you might want to post. It's pretty solid. Let's see. Dollar slipped. Invictus just sort of SPY again. Oh, yeah, another one. Yeah. These things are trying to move here. Let's see. Woo! Let's see. AMD broke the Hold on. What? Oh, AMD shooting up there. Let's see. I don't know about these. New candles. Here we go. SPY's trying. There goes Nancy. IWM crossed. Nice. SPY crossed. Yeah. Again, you need that closing candle above the 200. It's just too tight. Here comes the SPY. Let's see. And shot down. Let's see. Back up. Apple trying to move. Let's see what we get here. Is there any other way to get Invictus? You're having trouble accessing your Discord? Not right now. In the future, when we release platform, which will be soon, you will be able to have it on platform, but the only place to get it right now is Discord. But if you manage to get into the free part of our Discord, we do have a questions area that you can hop in and somebody can help you out with. All right, things are starting to move back up. Nice. There we go. Oh, sweet. Oh, 5 for 6, 83% on Invictus. There we go. You still say Invictus was 5 for 5? Nah, it's 5 for 6. It did call it dead, and then it ended up crossing after it called it again. So, is the new platform an app? It will be eventually. We will have an app eventually. SPY, turn and burn here. Here it goes. Here it goes. Where's Oxy, dude? Oxy's just hanging out at its 200. The SPY looks interesting here. Here it goes. There goes my free mandatory like here for platform. There we go, Eddie. Yeah, platform is going to be sweet. SPY ripping there. Look at that. What else did we get on Invictus? 6 for 7, 86% success rate on Invictus today. Nice. SPY moving up. Let's see. I mean, if it wants to run up to day highs, this is really it's only the second time today that it's been up above the 200 EMA. I wouldn't chase this, but it looks okay. Let's see how far it wants to go. Let's see. I SPY with my third eye. It's moving nicely. I mean, you're really watching 396 to 396.50 if it wants to get there. That's the magnet level that we've seen a bunch of over the last week. Let's see. One minute left. Another candle close. Let's see. Come on. Oxy dude just kept going. That Oxy play was the play of the day, dude. Congratulations to everybody that hit that Oxy Invictus. Squirrel emotional damage. Squirrel, that's why you just set stops at break even after you scale out, and then it takes you out at break even when it goes against you. Squirrel. Come on. So I just scalped this baby NVIDIA move here. So I'm just like, all right, well. Let's see. Having a lot of trouble timing Invictus. Daniel, so here's what I want a lot of people to think about. And this is something that people need to understand. You have to stop putting so much emphasis on the trade by trade basis. Like this one trade right now has to work. No, you got to throw that out. It's a game of probability and odds over time. With Invictus, you're going to set yourself up for some nasty trades that are most likely going to be a lot bigger than any of the losers that it has. You have to trust in your system, your risk management, and your psychological ability to control your emotions to be able to carry you into these profitable trades. So again, then you combine Invictus with the levels. So like there with SPY, I wouldn't have taken this one. It was just too close to the 200. But now let's see if it wants to run up there. Again, this week, though, I'm just forecasting chop. That's why like I'm taking these gains a little quicker. I'm trading smaller. There's no reason to try and be a hero on a holiday week when you're probably not going to see all that much craziness, except for the Fed minutes on Wednesday. And maybe if Mary Daly says something crazy. Let's see. Micron, what's up with Micron? Running? Doesn't look bad. Oh. Micron, hello. I don't hate it. I don't hate that. Oxy Invictus? It already happened and it was filthy. I didn't catch it, but you guys did. And I mean, I saw some 35, 40% gainers over there, which was gnarly. Micron. Here comes Nancy up. Here comes SPY moving higher. Ooh, I like it. How are the spreads on Micron? I remember them being kind of shitty. I used to trade a lot of Micron, not anymore though. I like NVIDIA and AMD a lot better, mainly NVIDIA. Spreads aren't bad. Dixie, where's it going? It's right at support. If it slips there, you might see it. So. 15% scalp on SPY. Loving Invictus. Alpha, not so beta. There we go, Eddie. Micron moving up a little bit here. Let's see if Nancy can break that 200. If everything starts to run here, that could get interesting. What are you at? 395? That might be the magnet there. Let's see. 57.50 on Micron could get spicy. I mean, Nancy's probably going to have some trouble at its 200. Let's see. Micron Invictus. Yeah, I saw that one. I don't hate that one. That one doesn't look bad. I mean, you would have this little level up here at 57.63, and then you've essentially got this level at 58.04, which is essentially the 200 EMA right here. So let's see if the SPY wants to get a little spicy. 32% on GME. Fuck yeah. There you go, Vapor Rub. Let's see. Yeah, here things start to move a little bit. If you could send Apple back to 152 by close, that would be great. If it breaks VWAP, you could run a little bit. I wouldn't say 152. I would say potentially 150 is what you're looking at there. Here we go. Moving. We got some movement across the board, team. Just trying to break these day highs. Let's see. Micron 57.50. Fancy little slip. Oh, shark. Let's see. Let's see. It'd be fun to see a crazy SPY breakout today. Just random fuckery. Like if Apple can break above VWAP here, that could get interesting. Where's Tessie? If Tessie starts to rally back up, that could help the market a little. SPY is trying. It's really Apple and VWAP is what you got to watch. Nancy down. Micron's probably down too. Yeah, we'll see. No, it wouldn't. What wouldn't, Chris? 385 would be fun. It would if we. I mean, it's between 390 and 400 is probably going to be our chop zone for a bit. Let's see. If it runs, then your bear trap prediction comes true. Nice. Well, we'll see. They really did try and trap people at 392. I mean, you can break out here. I think it just needs to cool a little bit. So how's the? I mean, it looks okay. Invictus going wild now. Yeah, Invictus is starting to go a little wild over here. There he goes. He's starting to heat up. Let's see if the SPY wants to follow through. Woo! Scalp SPY call 394 for 35%. 20. Wow, there you go, buddy. Let's see. Roblox. Roblox looks very similar to Micron. So you need the SPY and Apple. So you need Apple above VWAP, which is just tested. SPY might do a test of the 200 here. Let's see. Stop loss strategy is saving me from the BS flash wicks. Wait for it to run a bit. Set a stop loss. There you go, man. That's what it's all about. The stop loss strategy with Invictus is gnarly too. Micron just teetering. Let's see if Nancy can break over. It's 200 here. SPY can. SPY's not doing it. No more Fed comments. Mary's done. Interesting. Yeah, Nancy looks like it wants to get a little jumpy here. Let's see what it wants to do. Kind of looks like a cup and handle on the 5-minute on SPY. Sort of, but it's kind of already done it if that's what you're looking at. Let's see. All right, team. Keep hitting that like button on the way in. Helps out a whole lot with the algos over here. Let's see what SPY wants to do. MMTLP was worth the wait. Did they reverse split or something? Did they reverse split? The fuck is this? I have no idea what this is. I mean, it's the special dividend thing, isn't it? Oh, you're asking me? Well, after Mary Daly's done, then no. You have no idea. No, I don't see anything on it. That's another one of those stocks that people were hyping up a lot and then just did nothing. Lost people a bunch of money. Let's see. I reverse flicks. It was dog shit. It was dog shit, dude. Let's see. Another pump and dump. Yep. Yep. That's exactly what happened. Let's see here. Micron selling off a little bit there. SPY's attempting, but not really getting any action here. Let's see. Yeah, be careful on those get-rich-quick stocks. They usually end in tears and blown-up accounts. Let's see. Bob. Hello, hello. How you doing, buddy? Apple's teetering. You could get a break here. It's like, market about to go wee off a cliff. Bank of America puts. What's the deal with it? Wow, I would wait till this thing gets below the 48. You're just hanging on to VWAP there with that thing. SPY moving back down. Let's see. Tesla, how low can it go? Very low. What did we say on Tesla this morning? What was it, 178 or 168? Yeah, dude, it came down perfectly to our level. Look at this. It was the daily, right, that we were looking at on Tesla. Hold on, that's not going to be a good representation of it, but it's over here. Let me pull up the Tesla stuff that we were looking at this morning. I'm pretty sure it was 168. Let me find the level. It was this one right here. No, it was this one. Yeah, 160. Let me see. Come on, there you go. Yeah, it was this. Basically 168 flat. So it came down and almost touched it. Oh, Tesla running back up a little bit here. SPY a little pop. Nancy a little bit of action there. Micron little bounce. There we go. Send you a screenshot of something I worked on overnight. Ooh, let me take a look at that, buddy. What'd you do? Oh, that's pretty sweet. That's pretty cool. Oh, ooh, that's pretty nutty. No open interest on Roblox. SPY got sold into there. They didn't let it break out there. Well, that was an Apple rejection off of VWAP. That's exactly what that was. Oh, is it Invictus or Rita? Algo. Let me see. Dude, we have some crazy shit coming. Rita is the check. Oh, okay. Trading version of Invictus. Cool. Yeah, that's gonna be gnarly. Let Invictus fucking go to work. Yeah, right now we're still 6 for 7 on Invictus, so 86% for the day so far. Amazon's making a move. Amazon banging its head on VWAP here. Same kind of deal with Apple. If they can break above their VWAPs, you could see a little bit of action there and let the SPY run a little bit, taking everything else with it. You feeling an Apple Invictus on the horizon? Let it get above VWAP, guys. Patience. Patience, patience, patience. That's going to be the name of the game. I mean, it was today and this week. Let's see. It's a paper account, but I'm letting it go to town. Yeah, let it fly, dude. Let's see. Amazon trying again. Apple making another attempt here. Doesn't like it. Nope. Doesn't like it yet. Let's see. You could be waiting later in the day where you get that weird nonsense pump. Update your trading view. That's probably a good idea, Michael. And Nancy didn't like it. So, dude, SPY's just fucking trying. Apple's just not letting it go. You're getting NVIDIA puts on that one, Marky Mark? And we'll see where things want to go. If SPY breaks out here and runs, that could get interesting across the board. Micron, that 5750 break could get interesting. Up to 58, that would be pretty cool to see. Don't know if it's going to do it, though. Puts? Ooh. Ooh, he's getting spicy. Hey. Let's see. Dude, Apple's just trying so hard here. It can't do it. Look at this. It's just VWAP. Can't get above. Yeah, Micron is looking a little sketch over here. Let's see. It's still alive. Hanging on by a thread. Let's see. You got 3 minutes to go on this 5-minute SPY candle. We'll see. How's this look on the 1 minute? Oh, it's teetering. It's teetering on the 1 minute. Oh. Let's see. Crypto still burning is a sign of what's to come. I'd agree with you there. Let's see what we got. Let's see. AMD's all over the place like the rest of the market. Dude, everything's all over the place today. Yeah, you're just seeing things kind of wick around. Oh, you want us for SPY to rim on the daily? Where's that going to get you to? Oh, to 390? Not today. I highly doubt it would happen today unless something fucking wild happened. You got Micron 2 weeks out? Nice. Your Schwab account flashed Amazon at 165 multiple times this morning, showing major gains. Strange. Just a glitch, man. It's really just a glitch. That's all it is. Crime, manipulation. No, it's just a glitch. That's all it is. Nancy back up to the 200 there. Pepe, no. You're fine. Let's see. Here comes Apple potentially with another test of VWAP. Here comes 11. You got to crack 15 first on Bitcoin. What's it at? 15 something? Because I was looking at 15 flat as the level that we could come down to. Potentially for about, yeah, I mean, it hit 15, what, 892, 876. Yeah, we'll see. Here comes SPY. Nope. Apple. Apple peeking. Apple's peeking. Micron, slow poke. Aaron, good joke there, buddy. Apple's really trying. It's getting a little spicy here. Come on. Come on. Let's see. Let's see what you got here, Apple. You gonna help the market here, or you gonna fuck it up? Let's see, Apple. What do you got for us? No, didn't like it. Let's see. Apple is prairie dogging the VWAP. It is, dude. It's just fucking around. Look at this. It's so slow. It wants it, but we'll see. Let's see. Dude, Apple's looking a bit spicy. Come on. Apple, you gonna have one of those moves where you just start going, help SPY out a little bit, help everything else start to move. Nancy above the 200 could get a little interesting. There goes SPY a little. There goes Apple. Micron popping up a little. Here we go, team. Let's see. Apple's faking you out. It might be. But that move there, if everything starts following through, you might see a little exuberance. Little end of the day run like we saw on Friday. We'll see about it, though. Daily says rates peaking in the 4.75 to 5.25% range is reasonable. Ooh, that's interesting. Nancy peaking over the 200. Let's see. Yeah, I saw the Fed daily stuff. Let's see. You got 3 minutes to go on this candle. If Apple can hold VWAP here, that could be good. We'll see. Micron about to get a 4-hour cross down. Interesting. Yeah, still 6 for 7. 86% success rate on Invictus today. It's fucking killing it. You're already up 20% from this morning. You don't need to trade anymore. Just stop. Just go away. Go somewhere else. Quick QQQ Invictus, 42%. Nicky Ricky, you fucking animal. Yeah, here comes SPY a little. Here comes Apple. There's that little breakout there. Come on. Time him out. No, I'm not going to time him out. Let's see. Are we going to run here or what? Apple looking good. SPY. I mean, you're really watching 396 and 396.50. Those are the two levels that you need to watch for on the SPY. The next 1000x. No, stop trying to hunt for 1000x. Stop. That's how you end up in like with zero money. Be very, very, very careful trying to 1000x your money. It's not like, come on, guys. We're not here trying to hit lottery tickets. Micron getting a little pop there. Amazon's VWAP. I have it at 92.03. Here comes SPY. 395.60 was your 38% fib. It's right there right now. Sharkin, little. Let's see if it breaks here. Apple, closing candle above. I like that. Come on, break that 57.50. Nope. You should only play strangles. No, that's not what you should be doing. That's how you lose a lot of money if you don't know what you're doing. Let's see. Let's see here. Let's see if there's anything useful on Twitter, or if we're just circle jerking around again with everybody. No, I don't see it. Yeah, we already saw the SoFi stuff. US has a shortage of housing. It's an interesting to say daily. All right, computer, what are you doing? You starting to freak the fuck out for no reason? Nice. Good job. Master Productions. I'm not going to be the one that comes in and tells you what to do. Follow the rules. If it follows the rules, take it. If it doesn't follow the rules, don't take it. It's very simple. Very, very, very simple. Let's see. Apple back up. There's a lot of rules. Ooh, Invictus 7 for 8, 88%. There we go. Nice, man. Whoa, Micron, little sharky shark there. I see you fucking around. Nancy, a little sharky shark too. Let's see. Hackers? No. Let's see. Apple doesn't look terrible, man. Where is it? All right. Is that against the current rules? Yes. Very much so. $22% on QQQ. Thanks, Invictus. Fuck yeah, Randy. There we go. Yeah, Apple's looking to try and break 149 here. That could be a little spicy. Give the SPY a little bit of help. Would be nice if Micron would move. Yeah, dude. It's just chopping around. Same thing with Nancy, though. If you see a big breakout here, I mean, you might see him start to go, but we'll see. Need some jade lizards. The jade, you don't want to be fucking around with the jade. There goes Apple. Nah, didn't like it. Let's see. Roblox. Let's see. Roblox looks very similar to Micron right now, but it has cross. It's just below the 200 EMA. So that would not be following the rules. I mean, you could play it up to the 200 if that's what you wanted to do. Watch out. Apple's still trying to hold everything up. Nikki, there you go. Micron trying, not really doing very well though. Apple needs to get above 149 and break out to like 149.20 or something and start to get up there. Aaron, what? No, none of this to the moon stuff. Come on. Now you're just out here trying to hit lottery tickets. Let's see. All right. How's Invictus doing over here? 88% still. We do have some things in play. Nice. Nice. Micron slip. Apple slip. SPY slip. Oh, here we go. Let's see. To Iowa? I don't know about Iowa, but you could see it come down a little bit. Affirm. That doesn't look bad. Affirm does not look bad here. Apple and SPY struggling. Affirm looks okay. It's just one like a $12 stock. So it's like, you're probably going to get fucked with a little on the premium. Yeah, that doesn't look bad, though. That's about to cross, too. Slip in. Let's see. Let's see. SPY slipping. Come on. Come on. Where are we headed? Nancy back down to that 13. Let's see. Nothing's falling through on a move, really. Yeah, I would almost wait a little bit later. You might see a little aggressive move going into the end of the day. Apple's at a decent level here where it could start to jump a little. Affirm not really doing anything. Let me see. Where's Micron? What is that? 30? Yeah, 57.30. 29. Little VWAP test. Let's see. Retest 200 DMA, then rip on what? The SPY? Man, that's a little bit deep. I would say that maybe you get one at the 13. Let's see. Just going to sit and wait. That's probably a good idea. I mean, nothing's really moving that nicely. You could see Apple make a move up to that 200 EMA there, but it's just chopping around. Doing a whole lot of zero. Let's see. Very slow day, man. I mean, this is kind of what I'm expecting, just overall choppiness. So let's see if you get a rally on SPY to the end of the day. Maybe they get it to the magnet level, 396, 396.50. Other than that, you're probably just going to chop. Squirrel wants SPY VWAP. I don't know if you'll get that, buddy. You got 1 minute for a new candle here. I'm guessing the RSI's cooled off on these a decent amount. Yeah, that's just rimming the RSI there. I mean, I wouldn't consider the micron play dead. It's just it needs a little bit more time. You're still hanging on to VWAP here. If it slips VWAP, I would say yeah, it's probably dead. Affirm is Affirm still going? What is that up another 5 cents since we looked at it last? Trump not getting on Twitter. The only reason why he would want to get on Twitter is to promote True Social. Like, what other reason does he have to be on Twitter? Like, honestly, it doesn't make any sense for him to be there. Let's buy a little bounce here. Apple, little bounce. Let's see. Amazon. Let's take a look. A lot of these things look very, very, very similar right now. It's really hinging upon whether or not Apple can get a breakout above 149, dude. Apple's really the market right now. So we'll see. I mean, Apple's about to get that cross there. How's Invictus? Still 88%. Killing it, dude. Michael, why are you typing in all caps today? Can we please not? Twitter has way more many subscribers. Yeah, but that's because Truth Social's been here for like a year. It hasn't even, I don't even think it's been here for a year. How long has Twitter been around? A while. You got to give it time. Oops. Knocking shit around over here. Let's see. First day up 1.1%. Logan, fuck yeah, buddy. There you go. I don't know what you're talking about here. Yeah, a little bit on the dollar. You need it to slip. The dollar's still coming up a little bit, which is probably going to push the market down. Unless Apple gets a really nice bounce off VWAP here, it's probably going to fuck around. He would be yeah, but he would want, Trump would want essentially, like, the only reason for him to do it would be to go promote Truth Social, which makes sense. Like, if he starts tweeting and he's just like, well, over on Truth, like, then yes, he could get, but it doesn't make much sense for him to do it unless there's an election and he's got to use anything he can. Yeah, Logan, that's solid, dude. Congratulations. All right, let's see what we're going to get here. Netflix Invictus? VWAP's right here. I'd be careful with VWAP. 286.16. So you got what? 75 cents? That's not terrible. Things are trying a little bit here to move. Let's see. Yeah, this is just teetering now. I don't know if you're going to get that nice little cascade move. SPY starting to bend back around. See if they hold it at 395. What does VWAP do? It's just another level where another dynamic level of support or resistance that price can mess around with. Like, you can see Apple right now is right at its VWAP and it kept using it as a level of resistance before. So it broke out. Now it's retesting it. So if you get that retest move up, I mean, it could be nice, but we'll see. Let's see. Bank of America cross. Matt, dude, relax. Just hop in there and learn the rules, buddy. Yeah, it is cross. It's about to cross down here on the 5 minutes below the 200. You got support right here at what? 37.12. So if it does end up breaking down, that would be a nice level. First closing candle down below the 200. This doesn't look shitty. Watch the SPY though. SPY's rimming on the 5 minute here. So if the SPY and Apple start to bounce off these levels, you might start to get fucked on that. Let's see. MU. Wrong one. Ooh, Micron slipped pretty hard there. No, I have not been watching metamaterials. Rumors, I don't like to fuck around with rumors. I don't really give a shit. Like $12 buyout rumor. That's literally people on the internet trying to pump their the stock to you. So then you buy it and then they're already in it and then there's more buyers and they're hoping that more buyers come in and then pump it so then they can make more money. You're playing a game of what's it called? The greater fool. It's literally just like all of those stocks is literally just greater fool theory just played out over and over and over and over and over. Yeah, Micron slipping lower. Let's see. And then everybody comes in and then buys it because they think, ooh, lottery ticket. And then what happens? They all get bagged. So be very, very, very careful with that, guys. Let's see. SPY rim it again. Let's see. Let's see. Ooh, there goes the Apple slip. SPY slipping back down. Uh-oh, Spaghetti-O. No, didn't like it there. Oh, it did it again? Algo, hold on. Yeah, that's another one there. That says cross, but it didn't. Algo, you still here? Let's see. Oh, you don't think your fix has deployed it? Okay, yeah. So let's just make sure that fix goes in. Whoa, that's not good. Things are slipping around here. Let's see. Huh, okay, let's see what happens. You'll get with Andy on it? Okay, cool. Thanks, Algo. Let's see. See if Apple can get back above VWAP here. Let's see. SPY slipping, Micron slipping. Let's see what we get. Let's see what we get to do. Lunchtime's ending. Looks like put starting up again. This just really looks like a retest right now on a rim. That's what it looks like. I mean, we'll see what happens later in the day if we get any crazy shark candles. But I mean, the new MACD is losing that momentum here, as you can see. So you did have a nice pop, couldn't follow through up above any of these. Ah, here it comes. Here it comes. Let's see. Let's see. All right, SPY coming down for a test of that 200 there, bouncing a little. Apple's 148.50 again. Let's see if that's going to be the retest or if this is just going to fuck around and then sell back off. All right, everybody. So it is now 2 p.m. I got some stuff I got to go take care of. That is going to be wrapping up the midday stream for today. Again, if you guys do want access to Invictus, it's fucking killing it as usual today. And you also want to make sure that you're locking in that $49 deal once we end up going live with platform. Here's that link right there. And again, team, we will see all of you guys on the afternoon stream at about 3 p.m. So that'll be a fun time. Gabe and I have a really cool setup for you guys on the new stream. So again, for those of you guys that don't know, Invictus, Pythagoras, very similar. One trades on the 5-minute, one trades on the daily. Then we have Trader Joe that trades, what do you call it? 1348 with all the rules. On the daily time frame, we got all the live streams, all the curriculum videos. You guys want to hop in there? We got some crazy stuff coming with the platform as well. I will see you guys a little bit later. Other than that, team, peace.